Okay, Ben. So it's back together, as you can see. The bike is all back together. The engine's in. I took all the dirt out, the pieces, fuel's in, oil, brand new oil's in, everything's in. And here is what it sounds like. When I first started it up, it made a terrible rattle till the oil got around. And then it will sound like this. I've got the phone now near the air box, and I'm going to run this. If I just start it ever so gently, it doesn't make much noise, but you'll have to listen. All right, did you hear that? Whenever I put any kind of pressure on the gas, it would very quickly start rapping. And then when there's no pressure, it seems to idle without making a lot of noise. So I don't know what that is. Anyway, this is what the bike looks like now. And it's going into surgery again. Okay, bye.